Show them, Leonard. Show them what me I do. That's who for am no stays. Oh, and then I go with nothing, people. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trisha and this is Cooking with Trisha. Merry Christmas, people. Yes guys, tomorrow is Christmas. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas from now. Right guys, today I'm going to be making the best pineapple honey glazed ham. Guys, you know, for the Christmas holiday we have to have ham, you know. Our Christmas is not complete without the ham, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best honey pineapple glazed ham. Come, Mr. Young, let them see the ham. So guys, this is the ham that I'm going to be cooking, right? It is shank, it's the shank portion, right? And it is nearly 11 pounds of ham, people. Nearly 11 pounds of ham. So you know, so this is going to get a good amount of cook time, right? They said 15 to 20 minutes for each pound. But guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video, people. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this ham. Guys, it is a honey pineapple glazed ham. So you know, you have to have your honey, half cup of honey, right? This is 1 cup of brown sugar, so probably should be named honey pineapple brown sugar glazed ham, right? This is 3 tablespoons of butter. Guys, this is half a cup of pineapple juice. And guys, I went ahead and made my own pineapple juice, people, and squeeze it out. You guys can use a ready-made pineapple juice, but I made my natural pineapple juice. Guys, this is the cherry for decoration purposes. And guys, I'm also going to be using the cherry juice in the glaze, right? This is my cloves. Guys, no ham without your cloves, you know, you need cloves. This is the toothpick for decoration purposes, and this is the pineapple, guys. I'm going to be using the juice as well, but I made my own, so I'm going to be tipsing some of this pineapple juice in my freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Guys, this is mustard. I'm still undecisive whether or not I'm going to be using it, right? I'm going to be, you know, when the sauce I make, I'll decide whether or not I'm going to be tipping some of the mustard in the sauce. So guys, these are all the ingredients that you would need, just the ham, of course, to make the best pineapple honey glazed ham. And guys, I'll be baking it for 20 minutes per pound, right? Which is nearly 4 hours, you know, people. 4 hours, right? So the bake time all depends on how much your ham weighs, right? File paper is needed to wrap the ham, as well as a baking container. So guys, come with me. So guys, I'm going to be cutting the ham now. Alright, give me a fight. But guys, I cut the ham, right? And like all the Jamaicans, right, or most Jamaicans, we wash our meat. Alright, so I'm moving it from this to me. I'm going to be washing it too much, you know, because I don't want to take out the salt content of the ham, right? So you know, so your ham has to be, you know, the taste of ham. So I'm not going to be washing it too much. Just going to be running some water over it. Right? Alright. Let's do it twice. So guys, this is my personal step. You can, or rather, you may choose to do it or not to do it, but that's my personal step. So guys, what I'm going to be doing now, right? I'm going to be patting this ham. Yes guys, may I pat the ham. So guys, I'm patting the ham. You may choose to pat it dry or you may put it on a rack. But I'm going to be wrapping the ham, right? Because I want to ensure that the moist is locked in, the moisture is locked in, and that it's not dried out, right? So guys, at this point in time, I just finished wrapping the ham. I'm going to be putting it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for, you know, 2.5 to 3.5 hours, right? Because they said that 15 to 20 minutes per pound. So I'm going to be putting it in the oven. At this point in time, guys, there's no need, or rather I don't think there's any need to season the ham, because you know you want your ham to taste like ham, right? However, or rather you want the ham to retain its original flavor. However, I'm going to be making a pineapple honey glaze to coat the ham when the ham is 3/4 finished. So guys, I'm putting in my ham. Wait. Looking at the time, it's now 3 minutes after 9, guys. Make sure it's up on the right temperature. At 11 o'clock or 3 minutes after 11, that's when I'm going to be checking on the ham. That's when the ham is going to be 3/4 way through. At that point in time, I'm going to take off the skin off the ham, you know, fix it up and put the glaze on it. So guys, on a medium heat, you need to add the 3 tablespoons of butter. Come, Mr. Young, let's see what I do. So you need to add the 3 tablespoons of butter, people. A little bit more in the pot, babe. Yes, people, make it melt, let it melt. And guys, as the butter melts, you need to add the 1 cup of brown sugar. And guys, this is my freshly squeezed pineapple juice, as well as the pineapple juice in the can. So it's half and half, people, half and half. The next thing that I'm going to be adding, guys, is some cherry juice. Cherry juice. Guys, want cherry in there, and I don't want to drop out. Let's eat this cherry. So guys, this is what the sauce is looking like, guys. It tastes so delicious. It will, you know, really pair well with the ham, guys. What I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be turning it off right now. I don't want it to thicken up right now, guys, because the ham, you know, is not even halfway through. So I'm going to turn it off, and when it's time to, you know, fix up the ham and pretty it up, I'm going to be turning on back the sauce for it to thicken up. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, the ham was in the oven for 2.5 hours, guys. 2.5 hours, and it's not done yet, guys. What I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be unwrapping the ham. Whoa, nice. moist, right? I'm gonna be taking off the skin of the ham. Yes, guys. Ooh, it's hot. You see how easy the skin come off, people? 1 second. You don't want to be fighting the skin, you know. Right? So take off the skin. And guys, the reason why you see me so is that it's real hot. Me have on the gloves, people, but it's hot. Right? So take off the skin. Ham is looking like after 2.5 hours in the oven. I went ahead and take off the skin of the ham, and when the skin come off, you know the ham cook, right? So guys, what I'm going to be doing next, I'm going to be adding the glaze on the ham, but I'm going to be just cutting it a little bit, you know them little superficial mark there. Yeah, so I give the ham some superficial mark. And guys, if you have any extra fat, you can always trim it off. Not all right, you know. Just if it look too fatty to you, you understand? You can trim it off, people. So I'm trimming off some of the excess fat. You know, for the juice, people, to just seep right in. Take it off if you want to, people. So guys, this is what the glaze is looking like. Forgive me, the sink is a little bit messy, but this is what the glaze is looking like. Right guys, what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be applying the glaze. Come up a little closer, babe. Yes. Going to be applying the honey mustard, brown sugar, glazed all over people. Me know then say brush it, you know. Me I go brush it, you know, but me I throw it a little first, then me brush it. Guys, I'm gonna be giving this ham 30 to 45 minutes more. Oops, in the oven. But this time, guys, I'm not going to be covering it up. Right? I'm not going to be covering it up. Just going to be pushing it in. Guys, make sure it's over a little bit. Yes, people. Show it on the front too, you know. On the side. So guys, now that the glaze is applied on the ham, I'm going to be decorating the ham. Usually, you know, people, pineapple and cherry is a must, right? Usually I'll cut up the pineapple, but I'm not doing that today, right? I'm just going to be adding the pineapple, just so. Right? Just be adding it, guys, and applying more glaze as well. So that's one. Guys, show them, Leonard. Show them what me do. That's something. Oof, I'm not stays. Oh, I did not go with nothing, people. Guys, I want you guys to try the recipe, right? If you don't turn good, then you need to come for me. Right? Try the recipe, guys. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna be putting this back in the oven for another 30 to 45 minutes, and then you know, you guys will see the finished product. Wow, OMG, guys, look at the ham. Just look at it, people. Just look on it, guys. This is 3.5 hours later. Guys, the sauce was delicious. The ham was thoroughly prepared, guys, so I know that it got taste mad. Guys, thank you so much. No star people, please try out the recipe, share it up, people, share it up. Thank you so much for tuning in another episode of Cooking with Trisha. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.